Hi, I'm Devon at Math Mentors, and today I'm going to talk to you about special right triangles. So the first special right triangle we're going to look at is what's called a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And the name is exactly what it is. So if you excuse my poor triangle drawing skills, it looks like a right triangle, except we have the 90-degree angle here. We have a 60-degree angle here and a 30-degree angle here. And the way this triangle works is that this base here is the variable x. This length here is x times the square root of 3. And the hypotenuse here is 2x. So assume if you had the base, or this bottom bit, the shortest part, you can find the hypotenuse and the length and the height both with just that one variable. To give you an example of this, let's assume we have this triangle here. Ooh. Let's try to make it look pretty. Ooh. That'll do. That's good enough. So let's assume our bottom part here, right, this shows a right triangle. Let's assume our bottom part here is 3. So what is... we're trying to find what these are. What the length of these are. So to find these, the height, this long other side here, is 3 times the square root of 3. Because over here we have the x times the square root of 3. And since x here is 3, 3 times the square root of 3 is just 3 square roots of 3. Because it's easier to write it as this instead of writing out like the decimals of square root of 3. So this is 3 square root of 3. And if you wanted, you could find the hypotenuse by using the Pythagorean theorem with squaring this plus the square of this and then square rooting the answer for that. But we can just use the 30, 60, 90 right triangle and easily figure out that instead of doing Pythagorean theorem, it's just 2 times the base. So since the base is 3, 3 times 2 equals 6. So hypotenuse here is 6. So this can come really in handy when you're doing, trigonometry and looking at triangles, and this is kind of like a shortcut to make sure you can find the answer as quick as possible without having to do, Pythagorean theorem or anything like that. But you have to remember that this is only applicable if you have this 30-degree and the 60-degree. Excuse me. If you don't have these same angles, you won't have success with this because it's not going to work. I hope this helped you learn about the 3690 right triangle, and I hope you have a good day.